am Olivia, and I am a forward on the girls' varsity basketball team.
How long have you played basketball for?
I played basketball since I was 10 years old. My favorite thing about being on the basketball team is I love all my teammates, and I like hanging out with my friends.
What have you been watching recently?
Gilmore Girls.
Hi, I'm Elden. I'm a swimmer on the swim team
How long have you been on the swim team?
since freshman year. Freestyle, breaststroke, butterfly, and back. Making all league for freestyle.